Hello, I'm glad to greet you once again. My name is still Ilya Gausudarev, and I'm still talking about the Kodaktor online editor of broadcasting. And in this short screencast, I'm going to tell you about the process of creation of a simple web application that uses a JSON file to read information from. So the basic steps for doing this are as follows. We launch Kodaktor and create a new board by pressing the corresponding button. So now we have a new board, and here is the key for this new board that you see right here. Then you press this link, and then you press this link again, and so we have this new board in the editing mode in this first tab, and here it is opened in a reading mode or a viewer mode. So in the second and in the third tab, you create a new board once again. Okay. So what have we just achieved? We have now a totally new board with this key, and now we have two more boards based on this board. And you can see the difference between the address of that basic board and these new boards. They have this underline symbol and then a new random key after that. And the same thing is here, but the random key is of course different. So now we probably have some template. This board will contain some CSS, some cascading style sheets, maybe some background. And what I have to do now is connect this board to this basic board by using the link element, and here everything is prepared. I just have to use this key. The key is this one. It just has been created recently. So that's it. Just as soon as I have linked this board to this one, to the basic one, the cascading style sheets have been applied. The next step is doing the same thing with JSON. So here I need to type in some JSON data, and actually to test this JSON, to validate this JSON, I would like to use the JSON validating tool. So I will copy everything that I have here and paste it here and validate. And it appears that it has some kind of error because I didn't close the quotation mark. Now it's okay, and now I'm sure that this is a pretty valid JSON file. Actually, I could try another way of validating by URL. In this case, I have to construct my link to this file as follows: get a question mark, question sign, then JSON equals, and then this newly obtained key. In this case, it is retrieved as a JSON file with the same data type, MIME type, which is JSON. And so if I validate by URL, it is still valid. And now if I ruin it, let us see if the validation will be the same. No, you can see that now the validation is not passing, so I correct it back and validate again, and now it's good. So to retrieve information, to read information from JSON, I have to use probably get JSON jQuery function or method, and insert the following and insert the URL of this JSON file. Well, I guess here I can omit the first part of the URL and leave just the name of the script. So if I type result.name, I will obviously get Ilya. Yes, and if I type last name here, I will get Gos. Well, now the task for you will be to use the jQuery each function to iterate through the parts of this JSON, so to not be dependent on the specific names of the fields that are inside of this JSON file. So actually what you have to do this assignment is to extend this each function and organize this kind of cycle through the JSON object, and probably output the contents of this file into a table. So that's all I wanted to show to you at this time. I have just made a demonstration of how to create a web application with CSS, cascading style sheets, and JSON file attached to the basic HTML5 file, where all the three of these components are boards in the Kodaktor. And so the basic board has this specific key that was assigned to it, and the two of the rest of the boards are have the keys that are based on this initial key of the basic board. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.